In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Many of us do feel that my day was not as productive as it should have been. People working in the public sector, governmental employees, they might not be feeling it because maybe in a culture like that of Pakistan, people are not so serious about the responsibilities if at all they are doing a government job. But as for the private sector is concerned, private sector does demand a very serious amount of work. Maybe that is the only way we can survive. And most of the companies are like this one. Not necessarily each and everyone, though there are companies where the work is not so hectic, where the work is not so big, where the demand from the employees, where the demand from the workers of the of the company are not so high. So upon keeping aside the both of these, I think once we are self-employed, it becomes absolutely important, absolutely necessary. The reason is that our income is directly linked to our performance. If at all we are self employed, our income is directly linked to our performance, and if at all the performance is not good, I think so the result is going to be a very poor one, and we do have to repent and regret. And it is, as far the performance in a day is concerned, it is about definitely about our employment, about our livelihood. But it is not only about the livelihood, rather the life as a whole as well. There are certain other things as well which are quite important apart from the livelihood. I don't say that the livelihood is not so important. This is absolutely important, but definitely there are certain other things as well. Now the question is, how can we make our day better? Now the question is, how can we improve our day? Having knowing a strategy, knowing a way to do that, I think so it is very necessary. It is very necessary. It is going to be very useful, and I am going to share you certain tips about how can we make our tomorrow better. First of all, I think so. First of all, I think so that a day earlier, a day earlier, mean prior to sleeping, all what we need to do is that we need to make a list. We need to make a list about the things we need to accomplish tomorrow. We need to make a list about the things we are going to tackle, we are going to handle, we want to accomplish tomorrow, a day earlier. A day earlier. Why? Why? There's a big why. Because most of the people, overwhelming number of the people who are making lists, they are of the view that they it should be done in the morning. I think so not. It should be done a day earlier, prior to sleeping. Why? Once you have finished your day's work, now before going for entertainment, before going for the sleep, even before going for the entertainment, for the TV watch, and for the use of the smartphone, for other activities, I think so that we need to make a list about our tomorrow, how to make our tomorrow better, how to get the most out of our tomorrow. What can we do? What can we do, or what should we do? And we need to make a list of it. We need to make a list of it. What I need to do tomorrow, we need to make a list of it. And not only that, we need to make a list of it, rather we need to prioritize them. What is the most important, and what is the second most important, what is the third most, the fourth most, the fifth most. 5 to 6 items are enough, I think so. As for the considerable items are concerned, as for the trivial things are concerned, we can have a separate list of the trivial things, and these could be whatever. It varies from case to case, and it varies mean what is needed to be done. And but as for the considerable items are concerned, I think that 4 to 5, say 4 to 5 or even maximum the 6 items are enough. Although we might not be able to tackle all the 6 of those, but we should try to do as much as possible, particularly the things which are at the top of the list, the things which are the priority number 1, the thing which is the priority number 2, and the thing which is the priority number 3. We need to do it. Having a list, and that too a day earlier, I think so that we have won at least half of the battle. Having a list of the items we need to do tomorrow, and then prioritizing them, I think it is very necessary, and it is going to be very useful. And doing it a day earlier also provides us the opportunity to look upon the items, what are these items, and how these items could be accomplished, how these items could be done. And while we will be sleeping, our subconscious mind will be working upon this list. Our subconscious mind will be working upon, there is a subconscious mind as well, which helps us a lot. We can seek a lot of help, we can get a lot of help from our subconscious mind, but we need to know how to utilize it, how to get the benefit out of it. And having a list of the items I'm going to do tomorrow, and then sleeping, I think so my subconscious mind will be working upon it. Also, I need to tell myself that I shall inshallah be able to accomplish these items. If at all I am unable to draw a strategy, to devise a way, even then, no problem, nothing to worry, nothing to worry. Do not feel burden of it at all. Rather, tell your conscious mind, tell your subconscious mind, I know that there is a solution, I know that there is a way, I know that there is a strategy, there is a policy to tackle, to handle, to accomplish these things. And I believe that my subconscious mind, and I believe that my subconscious mind as well as my conscious mind will be providing me the solution to these problems, to these troubles, to these items I do have to accomplish. I shall be accomplishing tomorrow morning once we wake up. And then I forgot one thing, and this thing is that we must sleep at a proper time. We must not delay our sleep at all, because if at all we fail to sleep at a proper time, what is going to happen, that we shall be very late tomorrow morning. And if at all we were unable to get up at the right time, we will not be able to feel fresh, even if we do awaken ourselves, before accomplishing, before sleeping properly, before completing the sleep cycle of ours. And I think so our mind will not be fresh, and the day will be spoiled. We will not be able to do that. And to be able to do it well, I think that we need to sleep at a proper time. We need to sleep early. We shouldn't be delaying much our sleep, and we shouldn't be indulging in the unnecessary, we shouldn't be spending too much of the time on the smartphone, because the smartphone is a wonderful invention. If at all we are going to waste our life, I think nothing is more effective as compared to the smartphone. So excessive use of the smartphone, it is not something advisable at all. I think we need to control this habit. Once we do awaken at a proper time in the morning, and that too with a fresh mind, with a fresh body, I think that we have won half of the battle. Then come the first thing. As the first thing in the morning, we need to prostrate. We need to say the prayer. We need to say the prayer, Fajr prayer, the morning prayer, the first prayer, because it is a kind of timetable. Now, once we have done it, and I think so, we have done at least half of the work, and the remaining half can be done if at all we tell ourselves that as for the unnecessary things are concerned, as for the useless things are concerned, I'm not going to do any of those things in the morning. Rather, I shall like to do the more serious work in the morning. I'm not going to spend my time upon the WhatsApp, upon the Facebook, upon the Twitter, upon the YouTube and the other apps. Rather, I shall like to accomplish my necessary items first, and once I am free for those, then only I shall like to work upon. Then, as I mean, once I shall be doing, I shall be indulging on the social media once I am free from the necessary things which I am supposed to do tomorrow. So we need to focus upon the serious things, we need to focus upon the important things. Having accomplished the serious and the important things, now we are free to provide ourselves with a kind of entertainment, with a kind of relaxation which is needed. It is not something unnecessary. If it is positive and constructive, I shall support it, and I think almost everybody does understand the importance of it. As for me is concerned, I have found it the best possible strategy to do our work properly. I believe that anybody and everybody who is going to try it will find it a very good way, a very good strategy to do our day. Thank you, Jazakallah.